Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command and Conquer on Mac. First, you'll need to download a specific compatibility wrapper. This tool creates an environment that allows Windows applications to run smoothly on Mac OS. It's a much simpler approach than installing Windows or using a full virtual machine, saving you time and effort. We'll walk through each step to get your classic game running. To begin, download Wineskin Winery, a free application from its official source. Once installed, open Wineskin and navigate to the advanced options. Here, you'll need to download and install a suitable wine engine. This engine is crucial for translating Windows commands for your Mac. Ensure you have your Command and Conquer game files ready, ideally a digital version for easy installation. Next, create a new blank wrapper in Wineskin Winery. Name it appropriately, perhaps C and C Tiberian Sun or Red Alert 2. After the wrapper is built, open it and select Install Software. Browse to your game's setup file and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, configure the wrapper to launch the main game executable, and you're almost ready to play. Now you should be able to launch Command and Conquer directly from your new wrapper. If you encounter any issues, such as graphical glitches or crashes, revisit the Wineskin wrapper's advanced settings. Experiment with different screen options or try a different wine engine. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Online communities are also a fantastic resource for specific game fixes and tips to enhance your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.